So weird. There is one leaf on this branch that is moving back and forth all by itself. It's tucked down underneath the other branches. There's not even a breeze in the sky, and that thing is just going back and forth and back and forth. That's crazy. Look at it. Now it's going even faster. I came over here and it's going faster. What in the world? Wow. Oh my God. That's insane. It's got to be some weird natural phenomenon. Oh, I back off and it slows down a little bit. That's nuts. Well, we're going for a walk. Let's see if it's still moving when we come back.